Join me as we try to make this Pepito's pizza kit, whole wheat crust. Will it be a thumbs up or will it be a thumbs down? So this is the crust. It's real gritty. It's whole wheat, but this, I don't know, it's more like a graham cracker crust than it is a pizza dough. So we've done that. Now we're going to take hot water and mix in this pizza sauce and see what comes up. Then we're going to cook it. Here's what the sauce looks like. You take a half a cup of water, put it in the microwave for a minute, then mix it together, and then we let it set for a minute while it thickens. And we're going to spread it on this more or less pathetic looking crust. So here's the sauce, and the sauce is spiced well, so that's good. Let's do our minuscule cheeses. Well, there's the amount of cheese that came with it, which is way too little. So we're going to put some more cheese on from our last time I made a pizza from scratch. We're using the shredded 4 cheese pizza blend from Hannaford's store brand. Here we are with some bacon and cheese. Here's the finished product, and it doesn't look very good. The pie crust, I guess it formed a little together, but now we have to try it. The moment of truth. You know, the crust isn't like a bread crust. It's like, you know, if you make bread and you forget to put the yeast in, this is basically what you get. So I wonder if, I thought that it said there was yeast in this, but they didn't tell you to let it rise for any length of time. Yes, it has yeast. Well, it's just as disappointing as I assumed it would be. A pizza kit shouldn't use whole wheat. It should be using something that it's easy to come out right, not whole wheat. So there we have it. A not too great and a false advertising Pepito's pizza kit. Don't buy it.